Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete saved places on Google Maps in 2026. So if your saved list is getting messy or outdated, this will help you clean it up fast. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Most people use mobile, so we'll start there. Next, tap the Saved tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your saved places, lists, and favorites are stored. Now choose the list that contains the places you want to delete, like favorites, want to go, or any custom list you created. Tap the place you want to remove, then select Saved or the checkmark icon to unselect it. This will instantly remove it from your list. You can also open the full list view and tap the three dots next to a place, then choose Remove. If you want a full cleanup, open your custom list, tap the three dots in the top corner, and select Delete List. Google Maps will ask you to confirm. Just tap Delete again, and the list will be permanently removed. And if you just want to organize instead of delete, you can move places into different lists instead of removing them completely. So that's how to delete saved places on Google Maps in 2026. It only takes a few taps, and your map stays clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.